ever, in my opinion anyway, Mercedes-Benz managed to do a bugger up on any of their engines, then it would be this 271 engine and its camshaft gears. Now, because of these few air pipes, breathing pipes, which are all hiding under the intake manifold, because they are exposed to extreme heat, they do become brittle. They allow air to come in to the system, which promotes a retardation or advance on your timing, allowing the chain to wear down these gears and then jumping one of the gears and generating a $3,000 to $5,000 repairs. And it's all because of these few $5 breathing pipes that haven't been changed. Make sure that you do not run the 271 engine for longer than 75,000 kilometers. Please change these breathing pipes.